welcome back to my channel. It's Peyton and today I'm back with another video. Before I start, I'm going to say if you guys want to see how I did this look, especially my makeup and my hair and my where I got my shirt from and my skirt, y'all can't really see it but it's red, then you guys can go watch my get ready with me. It was uploaded right before this video. Today I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone XS Max. I recently got this phone, honestly, like less than a month ago, and I got it because my old phone got stolen, so I just thought why not do an updated what's on my iPhone video. I really love this phone. I do have this little spin pop thing on it, and I got this from like Walgreens, I believe, for like $5, and I have this really cute sparkly silver case. It's from Casemate. I think it was like 40 something dollars. It was really expensive, but definitely worth it. And I got the 256 gigabyte version, so I got a lot of storage just because I know I'm always taking a lot of videos and a lot of pictures, and I just knew that I needed a lot of storage this time. But this phone is really expensive, but it's really worth it because this camera is A1, okay? A1. Let's hop right into it. I'm just going to be showing you guys my phone. I'm gonna put it right there. So this is my home screen. It's just a regular pink background of like silk. I found this on like the internet, and I'm just gonna do a face unlock, face ID unlock. But anyway, yeah, here is my face again. I hope y'all don't think I'm conceited. I really try not to be, but you know, it's good to appreciate your beauty sometimes. But anyway, let's just start off with the home screen. This is really it. I know this might give some people anxiety, but yeah. So I'm just gonna start off with the top boxes. I have the top 4 diamond boxes. If y'all watched my last what's on my iPhone, I have the same little setup. So the first little diamond box, I have Facetune 2 in it. I do pay like $5 a month for this app, oh my god. And then I have the VSCO Cam. I really love this app for editing my pictures. I definitely put Facetune and VSCO right next to each other when I'm editing my pictures. Then I have followers, and this is what I do. I use this to check my followers. I'm not sure if this is Twitter or not. Oh yeah, this is for Twitter. But I use this to check my Twitter followers. And then I also have the followers for Instagram, which is also called followers. I use followers, the one at the bottom, this one right there, for Instagram, and I use this followers for Twitter. Then I have Witagram right next to it, and this is what I use to like put my photos like in a box. Like, let me see if I can pick a picture. So let's say I wanted to use this picture, like it's not a square, so it'll make the picture a square. And I just really love this app because not all my pictures look great on Instagram as, you know, the size that they are originally. And then you can like save it. You can upload it to your camera roll, Instagram, or other apps. Then I have Netflix, you know, gotta stay with Netflix. You know, I usually watch it on my laptop, but it's fine when I watch it on my phone if I don't have my laptop around me, or if I'm at somebody else's house and I just want to watch some Netflix, then I'll use my phone. Then I have Facebook. I don't really get on Facebook. Please don't try to find me on Facebook. Facebook is really for like my family members and stuff like that, and I keep it on my phone just because it's always some drama or some tea that my family wants me to look at. So definitely stay with the Facebook app. And also, if you're a college student, Facebook is pretty important just because there's a lot of student groups and like work and stuff like on the Facebook app, so it's definitely essential if you're like a college student or you're into like business and stuff like that. My social media and platform related purposes, I don't really use Facebook for like, you know, I don't use Facebook to the same degree as I use like social media like Twitter, Instagram, and stuff like that. Then I have Google Maps. I use Google Maps because sometimes Apple Maps be tripping, okay? And I know I'm not the only one who thinks that, so yeah. Then I have my Verizon. That's how I like just keep track of my data. I have Triller for when I'm bored. I have my reminders just for everyday reminders. I literally use the reminders app so much. And then I have Telegram, just because I have friends who like study abroad and stuff that don't have they can't like use their phone out of the country, so I use Telegram to like, it's just another form of communication. It's kind of like Kik. I don't really use Telegram that much, but I just have it in case somebody wants to communicate with me through Telegram. Then I have my second diamond box. Then I have Park Mobile here. I'm not sure how it is at other schools, but Park Mobile is what we use at UCLA to pay for parking. It might be, you could probably use Park Mobile at other places too, but I have no idea. I only got it for UCLA parking. Then I have Duo Mobile. I use Duo Mobile as like a second Oh, it's a two-factor authentication app, and I use it for both Instagram and UCLA. So if you are somebody on Instagram who like has like been hacked before, or somebody has tried to hack you, Duo Mobile app is really great. Basically you set up the two-factor authentication on Instagram, and then it'll transfer it through the Duo Mobile app. It's kind of a lot to explain, but just know Duo Mobile is good for two-factor authentication. Then I have the Grades app. Now the Grades app is for show the thing you need if you're a college student. You can literally calculate your grade in this app, and so many people don't know about it, and I'm just like, whoa. Like, I calculate my grade all the time. Like, if I do bad on a quiz or I do bad on a midterm or a final, I'm gonna literally go on the Grades app and type in what I got. So like, to show you guys an example, one of my psych classes, I literally just like, you basically name the class, you can like edit it up, you can add a syllabus item, and then you can take off syllabus items, and then you basically say how much it's worth, which is the weight of your grade. You click done, and then you input the things that you got, and it'll calculate your grade for you on top of you like comparing it to your target grade in the class, and it'll tell you like what you need to get on different things. So like, if I got a 0 on my attendance, it'll be a shift in things that I need on my other, like, okay, if my target grade is 95 and I got a 0 in attendance, it'll tell me what I need in other areas. So like, it'll say that I need 129% on my final if I got a 0 on my attendance, if that makes sense. I don't want to get into it for like, I don't want to get too deep into it, but it's a really great app. Then I use Lime. I use both Lime and Bird when I'm at school. I guess it's just the app for like, this is the box where I keep like all my school related apps. But yeah, Lime is what I use at school, and I also use Bird. And then I have Google Docs. This is when I need to look at like docs on the go and stuff like that. Then I have Dropbox. This is like just a really great app for sharing like large videos or a lot of photos and stuff like that. Then I have Cam Scanner. Now I had to talk about Cam Scanner because once again, if you're a student, like, this is what's on my iPhone student edition. Like, this box right here is student edition. With Cam Scanner, you can basically scan documents and upload them. But you basically just take a picture of a document, and then it'll scan it for you, and you can choose to send it to yourself as a JPEG or a PDF or whatever, and then you can just send it to people, and all places accept it because I do it all the time because I don't have a scanner. I mean, it's a really great app if you don't have a scanner. Then I have Clock. Then I have Uber Eats. Now let me go ahead and share my Uber Eats code with y'all because your sister trying to get some free meals, okay? So I freaking love Uber Eats, okay? How do I get $5 off? So here's my code right there. Y'all can use it, eats-paytonb36, okay? So y'all can use that and get your $5 off your Uber Eats. And I'll get $5 off too, okay? So you're welcome. Then I have Bird, and then I have DoorDash. And DoorDash is just another type of Postmates and Uber Eats. I have Uber Eats, Postmates, and DoorDash because why not, okay? When one's delivery fee is too much, I'm using the other one, basically. Now moving on to my third square, I have Cash App, Google Pay, Venmo. Definitely just all the cash sharing apps, just because college student, once more, like when you're going out, sometimes everybody's not carrying cash, and you just be like, oh, I'll just Cash App you. Oh, I'll just Google Pay, I'll just Venmo you. Then I also have Zelle too. Then I have Find My iPhone, always important. I have Shazam, that's what I use anytime I'm in the car with somebody and I just be hearing a song. I just be like, oh shit, what song is that? Okay. And then you just gotta listen, ha 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 ha. It'll like listen to the song for you. But anyway, then I have Postmates. Flow, this is really great if you're a girl. Sorry guys, okay? Sorry fellas. Flow is really good to keep track of your period. I haven't really been using it that much because I'm on birth control, and birth control is like your period is controlled, but like if you input your period dates, it'll tell you when your period is. And when I used to use it a lot more, I found that it was really effective for determining when my period was gonna come. Then I have the Chick-fil-A app. I'm always at Chick-fil-A, so I'll order and I'll get my little points, because then when you keep ordering from the app, you get points and you can like eventually get some free stuff. So I really like the Chick-fil-A app. And then I have Tumblr. I don't really use Tumblr as much, but I want to keep it on my phone just because there's a lot of cool pictures on there. So yeah. Then I have my fourth little box. There's the Measure app. I don't really use this app. Could I delete it? Yeah. I'm just gonna delete it because I don't really use it. The Offer Up app, I have Wallet, I have Let Go, Tips, App Store, Apple Watch, Voice Memos, Calculator, Tiny Wings. Now this is the box that I would just say I just have apps in here that I just don't want to delete. I guess you can call me an app hoarder. But yeah, I use like OfferUp and Let Go when I just want to sell something really quickly. These are really great apps to do so. I use Wallet for like, you know, Apple Pay when I'm at school buying stuff. Tips, I don't really use it. I wish I could delete it. Then the App Store, Apple Watch, have my Apple Watch, and you can like use the watch app to like customize your watch face and stuff like that, and also like control the apps that you use on there. Voice memos, I really don't use that much either. Calculator, you need a calculator, okay? Because I can't do basic math sometimes. I know I go to UCLA, but it ain't that easy to subtract 19 from 23. Not everyone can do that. Okay. Then I have Tiny Wings. I don't really know why I have that game on my phone, but I guess sometimes when I get bored I play it. I think I've only opened the app like twice. Then I have Health and Activity, and these are just apps that you have to have on your phone when you have an Apple Watch, so yeah, I don't really use them though. But Activity like keeps track of like how much you move and stuff like that, so I guess that's really, it's a cool app to like use if you're active, but I don't exercise, so I don't really find it useful. Anyway, back to the main page. So then I have settings. Uber, of course, I don't be driving yet. I mean, I drive sometimes, but not really, so your girl be Ubering. Then I have phone, photos, PayPal. That's like the most, I feel like PayPal is honestly one of the most popular cash sharing apps out there, so yeah, I do use PayPal a lot. Then I have Chase to check up on my bank account, because you know your girl be broke sometimes. Just kidding, no I don't. And then I have Safari, weather, and these are like the things that I feel like I use the most, so I have to keep them here, like, because I'm always clicking them and I don't feel like typing them, you know? Like, I know some people are probably like, girl, how do you live your life with all your apps just together like this? I'll usually just pull it down and search for whatever app that I need, but the apps that I don't feel like searching for, they are on my main page, of course. So yeah, so then I have Maps, then I have eBay. I'm always on eBay. eBay and Amazon are like, you see, they're right next to each other because they're like where you get the cheap, easy finds. Like if I see somebody with something, oh, I'm gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna just go type in the little thing. I'm gonna go type in the like little keywords to find something that I think I could find on eBay or Amazon. I have SoundCloud. Y'all already know, y'all could go follow my SoundCloud. Always got the cool songs on here. But yeah, this is just one way that I use to listen to music. I don't remember my profile name, but oh, there it is. Peyton Love. That's my profile right there. Anyway, what's next? Then I have Notes. Then I have GroupMe. GroupMe is just another really cool app that I use as a second form of communication. And since I've been in college, I've used GroupMe so much more. Like I didn't have GroupMe before college, and I only use it for college, honestly. Like all the different groups that I'm in, or like different forms of communicating with people, I use GroupMe. Most college students use GroupMe, I'm pretty sure. Then I have Camera, Calendar, Outlook. I only got Outlook recently because of my job, because they make us use Outlook instead of like Gmail and stuff. But I really do find Outlook to be useful for like my schedule and stuff. My schedule is really not updated, honestly. This is like my old schedule that I have for class, but I will literally outline my life every day from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. basically, y'all can see. But I'm not doing any of these things anymore because I'm on break, so I don't have work or class. But I really do like Outlook for like the calendar. I do like it better than my usual calendar, but I don't really have nothing in my usual calendar because it's all on Outlook. Then I have Gmail. It's another way of Outlook, I guess, just another email. And I have YouTube, of course, subscribe. And then I have my Apple Music, which is just all my music there. And then, of course, all the way at the bottom, I have Instagram. Okay, if y'all don't follow me, y'all should go follow me. Okay. And then I have messages. I have Snapchat if y'all want to add me. My Snap is Love That Chicken if y'all want to add me on Snap. And then I have Twitter. My old Twitter did get deleted, so it's not Lovely Pay anymore. It's actually I'm Peyton B, and I'm trying to build up my Twitter, but yeah, it's been kind of tough. So that's basically all I have for my what's on my iPhone video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the apps that I've used or about anything else that you guys saw on my phone, then feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.